Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer in a small village. He had 3 sons, but the sons were always fighting with each other. They argued about everything: work, toys, and even small things. The farmer became worried. How will they live happily if they keep fighting? He thought. One day, he got an idea. He called his sons and gave them a bundle of sticks tied together. "Break it," he said. Each son tried hard, but no one could break the bundle. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave 1 stick to each son. "Now try," he said. This time, each son broke the stick very easily. The farmer smiled and said, "See, when the sticks were together, no one could break them. But when separated, they broke in a second. If you stand united, no one can harm you. If you fight, you will become weak." The sons understood their father's lesson. From that day, they worked together, helped each other, and lived happily. Unity is strength.